What was the reaction of the United States stock market when Donald Trump got elected? Well, the big reaction is that money from all over the world started flowing into the United States. I follow two main indexes. One of them is the Standard & Poor's 500 and the other one is the Russell 2000. And both indexes, they have been hitting new heights. And why is that? Well, it's not just that Donald Trump won and Donald Trump is considered as a pro-business person, but also that the Republicans took control of Congress. And this combination got investors real excited because now they see a real possibility of lower taxes and higher tariffs. Both of these things are good for US businesses. Adding to this euphoria was the fact that Donald Trump also chose Scott Bessent as Treasury Secretary. Now, Scott Bessent, he sparked the imagination of the investors because, number one, he is a hedge fund manager. So he's going to be looking at the United States as a hedge fund, as a way to make more money, and investors like that. But here's the twist, the other countries are not feeling as enthusiastic or as happy. Why? Well, because if Donald Trump imposes tariff in other countries, that means that other countries will be able to sell less products or services to the United States. That means less revenue for them, okay? So then what is been happening is that the US dollar has become stronger. People are selling their securities in their own home country and buying securities in the United States. I did that. I sold some of my Canadian index securities and I transferred it to the US and with US dollars, and I bought some more US securities. And this is happening with practically every other currency of any other major trading partner with the United States. It's happening with the euro, it's happening with the British pound, it's happening with the Japanese yen, it's happening with the Canadian dollar, the Australian dollar, the Chinese yuan, and everyone is practically running for safety. They think, okay, so our currency is going to go down because we're not going to be able to sell products and services to the United States, and the currency of the United States is going up. So everyone is doing that, and this is bringing the US dollar up. So I'm happy to be part of that transaction. I don't know how my fellow Canadians feel now that they're going to be squeezed out of this great partner, but that's how it is. We investors, we have to look for where the opportunity is. So the US economy, it was already doing well before Donald Trump took power. In fact, I believe that Biden was doing a good job running the economy, but now having a pro-business president and a pro-business Congress, then I think it's just going to go even higher. I don't know, I'm just speculating. I tend not to take decisions based on what's happening politically, but I just cannot help but to become even more optimistic. So what do you think? Where do you think the US dollar will go next year? Where do you think the US economy will go next year? Among all the economies in the world, I feel safer putting some more of my money in the US economy than practically anywhere else. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time. Peace.